Hello everyone, welcome to VT Data Engineering channel. As part of previous video, we talked about external stages, how stages can be used to load cloud storage data into Snowflake. And we also gone through one example, structured data, how CSV file can be loaded into Snowflake. Today, as part of this video, I'm going to talk about semi-structured data, how semi-structured data can be loaded using external stages into Snowflake. And I'm going to demo how Parquet file can be loaded into Snowflake. So Parquet file is available here on S3, which is called transaction.parquet. Let's see how that Parquet file can be loaded into Snowflake. So as I told, so it's a transaction table and it is having a 4 columns. And let's create the table corresponding to the Parquet file in Snowflake. And once the table is created, we also create a file format. This file format can be created upfront or while creating the stage also it can be defined. However, for generic purpose, so which can be used in another stages as well, we create a generic Parquet file format. So let's create this one here, create file format, and we specify type. We know that it's a Parquet file, and we specify it's a compression. We leave it for auto, and we also specify one more parameter, null if missing. So what it would do here is, if there is any data that is having a value called missing, it would be replaced with null. And now let's move on and create a stage. So as we already covered this one, so here is the syntax: create or replace stage name, and URL we specify to point to the file, and we also specify the file format. So once the stage is created, let's see what we got into the external stage. Since we are like now trying to point to transaction.parquet file and this external stage also referencing, so we can see what files are being in the external stage using the list command. And once the stage is created, we can also view the data in the external stage. Here since it's a semi-structured data, so we can use this command, select $1 from external stage. Yeah, let's execute this command and see how the data is. Yeah, this is how the data is being shown in the $1. So we see here column 1, column 2, column 3, and so on. So this is how Parquet data gets stored or get referenced using the external stage. Once and the next step is we are loading the data from external stage into transaction table. Since it's the entire data is stored into one field, and we are going to parse using this syntax. So first one is the $1 where entire data is stored, and we specify what column we are interested in, and we also specify data type. So this how we are going to read the data from external stage and load into transaction table. So let's, once this data is executed, and we can see how the data is in transactions table. Yeah, you see here the Parquet file, it's a semi-structured. However, we are able to load Parquet data into relational table, and it's easy for any business users to view the data. Okay, hope it is clear that how we can use external stages to load Parquet file data into Snowflake. In the next video, I am going to cover how the JSON file data can be loaded into Snowflake. Thank you.